Here I am in my garden. I'm gonna get some rhubarbs. I have this rhubarbs for the last 12 years and it's never failed me. We're gonna try and make a recipe for it. Now I'm gonna take the tops off, which are toxic. And here's my rhubarb, very jewel-like, beautiful, ready to be processed. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Traditionally, you would make rhubarb crumble or rhubarb full, but today I would like to make something which is a cross between a relish and a chutney. I am gonna cook mine, but I don't want to cook it. I'm not going to preserve it. This is a chutney that I'm gonna use today, and I'm just going to use it as an accompaniment. Here are the ingredients. Recipe and quantities in the description box. Ginger, minced or finely grated. Black mustard seeds, green cardamom pods, or black cardamom pods, or as I'm doing here, a combination of them both. Sliced onion, chopped rhubarb, apple cider vinegar, and sugar. So all you have to do is pour all of your ingredients together, except for the sugar. I am going to put it all in a pan. We're going to cook our rhubarb on a medium-high heat, and we're going to just keep an eye on it. We're going to start cooking it, and we're going to leave it for about 5 minutes. Our rhubarb chutney slash relish has cooled down, so I'm gonna just transfer this. I'm gonna transfer it into this little container so that you guys can see. So all the vinegar and all the sugar have melded together. You get the woodsy flavor of cardamom. It is tart, but it's a combination of the tartness of the rhubarb itself and the vinegar, but there's enough sweetness to make it, to avoid the puckering effect of it. And there's a tiny bit of spice that comes behind, and it comes from the ginger and the mustard seeds. It's delicious. I would suggest you have this with barbecue chicken or pork, some cheese, some strong cheese. That would be really lovely with like a blue Stilton or a gorgonzola or something like that, and cold meats. So I hope you try this recipe. Please make sure to subscribe. Make sure that you get the notification, share, like, and ask me for any recipes you would like to have me demonstrate or try. I'm willing to do and try whatever you guys want me to. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.